So at Canador, we're door people. When it comes to big projects, any kind of new construction, renovation, could be a new condo unit, apartment buildings. You have to realize every apartment needs a suite entry door, a minimum of 10 doors per unit. There's moldings, which is hundreds of feet per unit, so it adds up pretty fast. We're going to assemble the door, do all the machining, apply the moldings, the hardware, everything that's needed to do your interior finishing. We want the customer to know that if they need any kind of moldings, hardware, it's one phone call. Even though, thank God, our company is growing, we still want to have that personal touch. We like to connect to people. The customer knows that they want to reach me, I'm reachable anytime. We deliver on time, answer questions, help the customers with their choices. We'll have guys come in on a Sunday just to do extra production that we can deliver the job site for them when they request it. But when you're building multi-story, hundreds of units at a time, everything has to line up, everything has to be made according to plan. There's a schedule to be followed. You need to have your machinery, equipment to be able to make the production happen on time. Canador a commencé en 1986 dans un petit village. Ça fait plus que 20 ans qu'on est en affaires. Puis moi, je suis venu à bord avec mon partenaire Sam McCoss en 2007. On est des experts dans les fabricants des portes. On est là pour donner un service rapide, efficace et avec un produit de qualité. We help our customer grow along the way. So they appreciate us, we appreciate them. It's a team effort.